What's up guys, Alessandro here and welcome to this SUBBD update video. Long time we didn't check into this new upcoming AI creation tool, which is also launching their own coin. So we're gonna have an update on that, guys, and I'm gonna promise you that you're gonna like the videos, or at least hear the pictures and the AI models that are AI generated here. So I'm sure that you're gonna love that. So we're gonna have a nice update, guys. Welcome everyone. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel, and if you want to check out SUBBD and also other new upcoming cryptos, they're all linked here in the video description. We're gonna have a look into them, and of course also other exchanges that I'm using, crypto mining tools and so on. Everything that I'm doing here in the crypto space, I'm always updating the links here, and of course always showing everything that I'm doing here in the crypto space. I'm even still mining, guys, yes, with some of my old PCs. Of course it's not that profitable, but I just like to run every now and then my miners as well on Kudo Miner. You can also do that. You're not directly mining Bitcoin, but you're mining altcoins, and they gonna go directly into Bitcoin. So they're gonna immediately be converted into Bitcoin, even though you're mining altcoins in theory. And also follow my other social media platforms and so on, guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to entertain you. I'm showing everything that I'm doing here in the crypto space. Whatever my price predictions are, whatever I'm trading, whatever I'm buying and selling, I'm just showing you what I am doing personally. And of course, always updating you about the crypto space, Bitcoin and all the altcoins and so on. Everything that I'm doing, also all tools that I'm using and so on. So we're gonna have a look now into SUBBD, guys, because SUBBD is a completely new AI creation tool that I bought some weeks ago, and they have done major updates now on their website. So very, very important if you are buying into this coin, guys, to use the dashboard here on the right side. And right now, as you can see, they have enabled here the 20% reward. So you have now the option to stake the coins. Until now, you couldn't do that. So if you're clicking the link in the video description, you end up here on the official website. You can see all kind of tools and different features that this project is going to have and so on. The tokenomics of their own token that they will bring out. You're gonna see here also different AI models, and of course they are going to be used basically as how to say, like influencers, or yeah, let's call it like that, influencers. You can basically create profiles then with those AI models. Of course, nowadays there are already some models and some AI creation tools that are already doing that here on YouTube as well, and also other social media platforms. But this one is going to be basically one for the crypto space, because they are like the first ones bringing out their own token. It will be working with cryptos, of course, and also yeah, we're gonna see what other tools that you're gonna have here, because if you are using then here the AI models, you're gonna have also different benefits, some rewards as well, and so on. So they are also going to have like their own platform as well. Not only that you can then use the AI model to create pictures, videos and so on directly here and post it on social media platforms. There will be kind of a platform where you can do that everything and directly share it into different platforms. And that's why this project is very interesting. If you want to invest into this one, you can connect the wallet, like MetaMask, for example, like I'm doing. And then you're gonna see the coins that you bought here, and you can buy and stake it for 20% rewards right now. Also, if you bought like me at the beginning, you can add to staking your coins if you want and get 20%. It's not that much, but they don't have so many coins, so the supply is limited, and also for staking only a little amount is reserved. So that's why think twice if you want to stake. I'm not staking right now because you're gonna have a 7 days lockup period at launch. So if you're buying for the long term, of course you can stake it. I am bullish for the coin, but if you don't want that, then of course you don't have to do that as well. And they also have now passed through two different audits, construed and solid proof. So if you open up here, you can see that they are of course still in the early stage phase, but everything is okay here based on solid proof, and of course also on construed as well. You see here no issues, nothing. Everything is perfectly transparent here, and this is of course also good that they have done that. And yeah, it is also featured in different crypto websites already. Also here it's written that they raised now over 750k and so on, and what this project is all about and why investors are so excited and so on. So this is for an example like what you can do here. Also on their X account, you can follow their X account as well. And I think that, of course, the coin also has great upside potential here because it is going to be not a meme coin, but a utility coin. We have currently a bunch of new meme coins coming up that are very, very hyped with also a utility behind it. But SUBBD, this one over here, is going to be like a real utility coin. You see here, next gen platform merging live content, AI tools, staking, crypto payments, and more. Then we have SUBBD holders get access to AI optimized content and experiences, and loyalty is rewarded with staking bonuses, XP boosts, and daily creator drops as well. So this could be quite a big thing here in the crypto space, in my opinion. That's why I bought also into this SUBBD. And of course, you can basically use your fantasy to create your own AI model and let it basically run on social media platforms. So this is maybe the future, guys. Who knows that? We don't know anymore if something or if this girl is going to be real or not. We don't know that. So very exciting future, guys. And yes, that's how the future will be looking like. And yeah, you can basically create your own persons, your own AI models, and so on. So join now if you want. I'm bullish for the token. And of course, I'm going to check out also this project here as well once it's out. Maybe we can do in the future also videos with those AI models here. Who knows that? We will see. But anyway, I am invested. And yeah, if you want to be following me, link in the video description. And also the other links, of course, you're going to find. So let's find out what this one will do, guys. Of course, no financial advice. Everything is possible with those projects and with those coins. But I like to buy into this one here. I bought with Tether because I also have some Tether around. And yeah, I want to be distributed and basically diversified into different new upcoming coins with low market cap, guys, because they are all starting with low market cap. And then, of course, we have this huge upside potential like we have seen in other coins as well in the past. So let's see what happens, guys. At least that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Be subscribed. I keep you updated also on this one here. And we're going to see us all in the next one. Bye for now.